Are you tired of just existing, going through the motions day after day? Imagine waking up every morning excited, knowing you're living a life perfectly tailored to your deepest desires. This video isn't about wishful thinking. It's a blueprint to intentionally design and build that exact life, starting today. Here's the hard truth. Most people don't want to design their life. They just want to push through it. It's easier to complain about traffic when you're stuck than to acknowledge that maybe, just maybe, you chose a career that requires a long commute. It is simpler to grumble about a relationship that doesn't fulfill you than to face the fact that you may have settled for less than you deserve. The path of least resistance is often chosen, even if it leads to a dead end. But here's the liberating news. You always have the power to reroute your journey. Let me introduce myself. I'm a guide who's helped countless individuals rewrite their life stories. And in this video, I'm going to give you the tools to craft your dream life intentionally. Step 1. Get crystal clear on what you truly desire. Most people have a vague idea of what they want, like a blurry photograph. But to build your dream life, you need a high-definition vision. Take some quiet time, close your eyes, and imagine your perfect day. What does it look like? Where are you? Who do you spend your time with? What kind of work are you doing? How do you feel? Once you have that clear picture, ask yourself, what does my ideal week, month, and year look like? Don't hold back, dream big, allowing yourself to truly visualize the life you're after. Step 2. Define your non-negotiables. Now that you have a vivid picture of your dream life, it's time to identify your non-negotiables, those elements that absolutely must be present for you to consider your life as fulfilling. Maybe it's regular time spent in nature, a clutter-free home, or learning something new every week. These non-negotiables should reflect your core values and what truly matters to you. Write them down and make them visible. This isn't a one-time exercise. Revisit and refine these lists regularly, especially when making decisions. Ask yourself, how will this impact my non-negotiables? Step 3. Embrace imperfection and be kind to yourself. Designing your dream life is an ongoing process, not a destination. There will be times when you stray from your ideal, and that's okay. The key is to acknowledge it and correct course without judgment. Life happens, and sometimes you'll find yourself veering off track. That's normal. Don't beat yourself up over it. Instead, use it as a learning opportunity. Reflect on how you can realign your actions with your intentions moving forward. Remember, progress isn't linear. There will be setbacks, and that's where your resilience and adaptability come into play. Step 4. Trust the journey and stay open to possibilities. Building your dream life takes time, effort, and often a leap of faith. Trust that the actions you're taking, even if they seem small, are contributing to your larger goals. Stay open to unexpected opportunities and be willing to adjust your plans when life presents you with a new possibility. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back from pursuing what truly excites you. The journey to your dream life is unique and unfolding before you. Embrace it fully. Your dream life isn't a fantasy. It's a reflection of your soul's deepest desires. With a clear vision, unwavering self-awareness, and persistent action, you can turn your dreams into reality. Remember, you have the power to design your life. So pick up the pieces, dust yourself off, and start again. Create the life you're excited about and commit to the journey. The world is yours to shape. And if you're ready to dive deeper into this transformative journey, I invite you to send me a message. I'm here to support you in crafting the life you're excited about. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep designing your dream life.